Hello children, I welcome all the children of class 2 for the revision of annual exam. I hope children you are studying well at home. So most probably this is our last revision class and one more revision class will be done in our school, that is offline class. I want all of you to be present on that day in the school. Okay, so let us start our revision class for today. Uh, so the first question today I have chosen is choose the correct answer. Okay, only 3 questions I have chosen. I'm not going to give so many questions and make the class very lengthy. Okay, so whatever is being done in the revision classes, go through it and study nicely. Give your exams well since your maths is the first exam. Okay, so do well. Okay, now what is the first question? 1 kg is equal to dash gram. So you have already learned it many times that 1 kg is equal to how many? 100 gram, 10 gram, 1000 gram. So which is the correct option? 1 kg is 1000 gram. In the same way, if the question is being asked 1 liter is equal to dash milliliter, what you will write? 1000 milliliter. Okay. So if the question is asked 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter, then also it is 1000 meter. Okay, so like if the question is asked 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter, then it will be how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Okay, so only these 4 things are in your book, so I will discuss only those 4 things. Okay, now question number 2 here is dash 20 rupee note can be exchanged for 1 rupees 100 note. Okay, there is some mistake in the question. Wait a minute children. Dash 20 rupee note can be exchanged for this is coming 2 times, isn't it? So cut this one. Okay, can be exchanged for 1 rupee 100 notes. So how many notes can be exchanged, children? If you want to, if you are giving a 100 rupee note to the shopkeeper, then you asked him to give you back 20 rupee notes. Okay, for the same value of 100. So how many will give? The shopkeeper will give how many? 4 or 5? 5, right? So see, one 20 rupee note is 20. If you put one more, it will become 40. Third one will become 60. Fourth one will, when you add, it will become 80, and the fifth one, when you add, it becomes 100. So the answer is 100. Okay, children. So in the same way, October has dash days. For this question, you need to, if you know, well and good, you can write directly. If you don't know, you count it on your fingers. Like I have taught you. Like first month is January. January is 31 days. Then the second one will be less than 30. So it is okay that you can count it on the finger. Okay. So in that way, October will be having how many days? 31 days. Okay. If you count and see, October is having 31 days. Alright, children? Okay. Now let us go to some other revision questions. That is fill in the blanks. Okay. So now the shorthand of the clock tells us. Okay. In the chapter time, we have learned that a clock is having 2 hands, the short hand and the long hand. Okay. The short hand tells us the hour, and the longer hand tells us the minute. Right, children? So here you got the question answer. The shorthand of the clock tells us one. It tells us the hour. So the answer here will be hour. You have to write here hour. H-O-U-R, hour. Okay. Now in the same way, this is from the chapter shapes. A cuboid has dash edges. These things we have learned. A cuboid is having a cuboid and cube is having all the like edges. Then what are the things they are having? Edges, faces. Cuboid and cube is having almost all the things same, isn't it? A cuboid is having how many edges? A cuboid is having 12 edges. In the same way, a cube is also having how many edges? A cube is also having 12 edges. Okay, so the question number 2 answer will be 12. In the same way, a cube is having 6 faces. Cuboid is also having 6 faces. A cube is having 8 vertices and cuboid is having also 8 vertices. Okay, the only difference is that all the faces have same shape and size in a cube. Okay, in a cube all the faces have same shape and size, but in a cuboid opposite faces have same shape and size. Okay, so this one I have done in the class also, in the offline class. When you trace a cube, you get a square, and when you trace a cuboid, you get a rectangle. That's why opposite sides of a cuboid are equal in shape and size. Okay, children, so here it will be 12. This answer is 12. Okay, now the third one is a circle has dash vertices. So a circle is having no vertices. Okay, a circle has got no vertices, so the answer will be here no. You can write either no or 0, both are correct. A circle has 0 vertices also correct. If you write here no vertices, then also correct. Okay, children, now let us go to the subtraction. Okay, this is also very important, and in the offline class also I have done these things, and I have found that children, you don't know how to do minus. It is very shame studying in class 6 and still you are not sure of the subtraction. Okay, especially subtraction with zeros and all. So learn the subtraction part very nicely. Okay, so here, and be careful, you are going to get subtraction with carry. So learn and come subtraction and addition with carry as well. Okay, so here 7 minus 2 will be how much, children? It will be 5. And don't forget to write the p. P minus p will be p. So here also you have to write the p. If you don't write p, you are not going to get the full marks. Okay, 9 minus 6 will become how much, children? It will be 3. So what is the answer? It is 35p. In the same way here, 5 minus 0 will be 5. Okay, here 8 minus 3 will become how much? It will become 5. Okay, so the answer is 55p. Now here 0 minus 6 is not possible, so it will become 10, isn't it? This will become 10 and this will become 7, right? So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so rupee minus rupee will become rupee. Here also this is carry with carry, so it is 12. With 2 it is not possible to do subtraction, so this will become 12 and this will become 6, isn't it? So 12 minus 7 will be how much? 12 minus 7, it will be 5, right? Now 6 minus 5 will be, it will be 1. Okay, so now symbol will come down. Okay, the symbol of rupee will come down. Rupee minus rupee will become rupee only. So this is the way how you have to do the subtraction. Okay, some more questions I have taken. This one, see, here also with zeros. P minus p will be p. So here 0 minus 5 is not possible, so it will become 10. 10 minus 5 will be how much, children? It will become 5, right? And here it will be how much? It will not be now 9. It will be 9. It will not be how much? It will not be 10. Okay, so 9 minus 4 is how much? It will be 5. Okay, So the answer is 55p. No need to write here. So this one is already being taken for the by the zeros. Okay, and this part became 0. So now 7 minus 4 will be 3. Then 7 minus 2 is how much, children? 7 minus 2 will be 5. Okay, so this will become rupee 73. If in your question paper this symbol is not written here, okay, this symbol is not written, then you have to write this symbol in the answer. Okay, now 7 minus 5 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, then 7 minus 5 is 2, then 4 minus 1 will be 3. So the answer is 323. Okay, in the same way, here this one, 6 minus 4 will become how much, students? It will be 2. Then 0 minus 2 is not possible, so you have to carry from here. It will become 10. 10 minus 2 will become 8, right? Then this is 7 minus 8 became 7, isn't it? So now 7 minus 3 will be 4, right? So we have done the subtraction, and this subtraction or from the money chapter. Okay, from the money chapter you practice all the addition and subtraction very nicely. Okay, so that might also be coming. So only this much in today's class, children. Have a nice day. All the best for your exam. Thank you so much.